Hi everybody. It's going to be a great unboxing straight from Wisconsin in Criterion barrels. Came in a nice oil soaked box. Not that there's anything wrong with that. But here we go. Yep, definitely oil soaked. Satisfaction guaranteed. Nice sticker. It's got kind of a texture on it. And with mine, what I ordered is, especially with a 308 AR, AR10 or variant AR10, head spacing is a lot more important since it's not a mil-spec standard. So I made sure to get from the factory, either got Fulton Armory or JP. Those are the two options that Criterion has you choose from when you buy a barrel. You don't have to buy it, but I think it's a really good idea. So here we got a beautiful enhanced, it's got the enhanced firing pin. Comes with a little extreme duty Lucas. But yeah, it's the high pressure variety. Looks great. So that's gonna go great with my full mass JP carrier. Put that down. Alright, now for the main event. Get rid of this. It is totally soaked. It is wet with oil. Not that that is a bad thing. That is a good thing. Nice and wet. So here she is. And she says right here, if the light isn't too bad, Criterion M118LR chamber 1 in 10 twist, and this is chrome lined. And according to Criterion, with their hand lapping, there's not supposed to be any accuracy loss. That it's chrome lined. It looks great. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if I'm really going to get any close-ups of the rifling or anything, but you know, give it a little shot here. Anyway, it looks great. I guess Criterion did like everything perfectly. My only complaint is, how could they do everything right, but they didn't put like a rubber thing on the end to protect your crown and your threads. That's like my only complaint. Otherwise, it's beautifully packaged. Looks just so good. But yeah, I think it's hard to go wrong, especially when you're doing a 308 AR. It's a great idea to just go ahead and order a Headspace bolt with your barrel. It's dimpled for your gas block right there. There's the gas port. Dimpling is nice. Oh wait, maybe I should get it in frame. Dimpled. Makes it easier to get your gas block aligned. There's the gas port. But yeah, I think it's hard to go wrong to get a Headspace bolt with your barrel straight from the factory. So yeah. Alright guys. So yeah, everything is absolutely perfect. Great job, Criterion. But just like put a little protect the crown and the threads. Other than that, perfect. Alright guys. There is the this is an 18-inch, by the way, 18-inch chrome lined rifle length gas, 1 in 10 twist, M118LR chamber. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy.